Welcome! In this video, we'll introduce our mobile wallet feature that helps you create mobile pass campaigns. Apple and Google Wallets allow users to store and use electronic bank cards, IDs, coupons, and other digital passes, also known as mobile or wallet passes. This function makes your customers' lives easier and helps them engage offline with your brand. Before creating SAP Emarsys mobile wallet campaigns, you have to go through a one-time setup process when you set unique identifiers and upload the necessary certificates. Let's start with the wallet configuration. Navigate to Channels, Mobile Wallet, Wallet Configuration tab, and click on Add Configuration. Here, I add an internal configuration name and upload the Apple certificate. Once uploaded, I fill the mandatory fields. Then I upload the Google certificate and add my issuer ID. Our documentation helps you how to create and set these files. I save my configuration. In the overview, you can edit or archive configurations. Please note that archived configurations cannot be edited, and configurations in use cannot be archived until the related wallet campaigns have also been archived. Having set up the wallet configuration, let's create a wallet campaign. And this is our use case. Imani is a coffee lover who buys her cappuccino regularly in your coffee shop. Your store is celebrating its 5th anniversary this month. So you want to surprise your active customers, like Imani, with a 1-month valid mobile pass voucher for a free cup of coffee. Let's create a mobile wallet campaign and add it to an email. I click Create Wallet Campaign. There are the following pass types: coupon for one-time usage, loyalty to display text on the pass that is related to your loyalty program, and voucher to show a discount or monetary value. I click Coupon to create my free coffee pass, name my campaign, and choose a wallet configuration. Then I add a description and provider name, which are displayed in the back of the pass. Below, you select what kind of code you want to add to the campaign. I choose QR code and add a personalized field to display a unique code from the omnichannel voucher pool I created earlier. Then I add low and high-resolution images for the icon from Media Database. These are used in any notifications that the pass might display on the device lock screen. For my use case, the expiry date will be at the end of this month. In the live preview, I insert my logo, add a message, and an image about the incentive I offer. If you create a loyalty wallet campaign, you can add further information. On the Style Settings tab, I change the background color, and for Apple devices, the title color. From the Personalization tab, you can drag and drop tokens to your pass campaign. Now I use the device preview to see how my campaign looks on an iOS or Android platform. Testing is crucial, so I click the Test Pass button, add my email address, and generate the QR codes. Then I scan the QR code for Apple and Google with my mobile phones. Looks good. Keep in mind the test email address has to be unique in the contact database to generate QR codes. Now I click Finish, and the mobile wallet campaign is ready for launch. If you want to update the launched campaign, you can create a draft, amend the content and some settings, and then relaunch it. This campaign can be easily embedded into channels like email, mobile engage in-app, and web channel. I want to add it to my previously created email campaign. For that, I navigate to Channels, Email Campaigns tab, and click Edit. From the Blocks tab, I drag and drop my self-built mobile wallet block into my email. I link the Apple Wallet image to the Apple Pass campaign using the personalization icon. Here, all ready-to-launch mobile pass campaigns are listed as personalization tokens. Then, I connect the Google token to the second image. Once I'm done, I send a test mail. The mobile passes are properly generated and can be downloaded to the mobile wallets. I can now launch my email. Each pass is individual, generated on the fly, and can be previewed before being saved. Let's navigate back to the Mobile Wallet Campaigns tab. On the overview, the existing campaigns are listed with their name, template type, status, and creation date. You can access the reporting, view or edit, clone, or archive campaigns. Above, you can search for campaigns or filter them. I click on the reporting icon of my campaign. On the campaign reporting page, you can see the summary of all metrics and split them by platform. Below, you can see how those metrics changed over time for the chosen timeframe. Generated is the number of users who clicked on the URL of the individual mobile pass token. For example, Imani clicked on the Add to Apple Wallet image, and the preview of her pass was shown. Downloaded is the number of users who saved the mobile pass to their mobile wallet. Updated shows how many new pass versions you launched. And removed is the number of users who intentionally removed their mobile pass from the mobile wallet. That concludes our walkthrough of Mobile Wallet. Thanks for watching.